How to download the Ulta Beauty application on Android. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to do so. So let's get started. So we can start by opening up the Google Play Store application on our device. After that, we can use the search right here. And here on the top, we can type in Ulta Beauty. So go ahead and type in Ulta Beauty here and hit enter. And that will show us Ulta Beauty application here. So go ahead and find the official one, Ulta Beauty, the makeup and skincare. So go ahead and look out for it, which should be this one right here. So once you find that application from the results, you can go ahead and look out for the install option. Like you normally do for any kind of application, find this install option right there and go ahead and tap on it. After that, once downloaded, you can open up the application to log in or create your account, which is pretty easy. After that, you can just go over and use the virtual features of the app. The key features of the application are virtual try-on tool to test products, rewards management, barcode scanner, and booking, and many more. And ensure that your Android device has sufficient storage and is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you should be able to use the application very freely on your device without any issues. And it's pretty easy if you want to download it on your Android device. So that's it everybody for now. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.